everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows and now I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Juvia Place Concealer in 16 and set it with my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using my Morphe 3503 palette. I'm going to take that shade and put that on my crease as well as on my lids. And I'm going to take that other shade and put that on the second half of my lids. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted about my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. And please make sure that you hit the like button on my shorts as well as on my videos. Now I'm using my House of Lashes eyelash glue and my Ioni Wispy Carpet Star lashes, and these lashes have color to them. This is the first time I'm using lashes with color, but I just wanted to try something different and I thought it would go well with the look. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Before I put on my foundation, I'm going to use the Be Pure Blurring Pressed Powder in Medium Deep. This is just to keep my face matte and to keep the oils down, keep it from getting oily. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer in 3.5N. And I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in dark. And I'm going to take that top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush, and this is the Volume 4 palette. I'm just going to take that top shade and use that for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to take a mixture of those two shades and use those for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the Urban Decay Lip Pencil in Nighthawk and their Vice Plumping Shine Bomb in Secret Menu. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this brick red eyeshadow makeup look that I did. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please share, comment, like. I would love to hear from you all. Make sure you all press the like button on my shorts as well as my videos because that really helps my channel to grow. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you. And I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.